What's up, YouTube? So today we're changing the window felt on my 1992 Subaru WRX. I'm doing this because shortly after I had the car, maybe a month or two, I started getting scratches on the window. So hopefully if you're watching this video, you're doing this before that actually happens. I decided to take on this little project about a week ago, and when I took the door panel off, I saw what kind of felt I needed. I went to a body shop, I went to an art supply store, I went to a fabric store, I went to a window and glass place, and none of them had the felt that I needed for the car. So I went to Amazon and I got this right here. It's weather stripping for windows, and it's 18 feet long, and I only paid about 12 bucks. So hopefully this works. Let's get to it. Before you get started, you're gonna want to locate any screws that are holding the door panel on. In my case, I only have one in the handle and one behind this plastic piece. Then around the door there are clips. Once you undo the clips, then you just pull straight up and it'll come right off. So to take this off, just there's two clips here. Then pull this forward, pop this right out, pull forward. Then if you see here, there's a bolt right in here. I like this better than what modern cars have because when this is on, you can't even tell. What I'm actually gonna do before I take this off completely is roll down the window, because to get access to the felt, the window needs to be leaned forward a little bit. Now, undo the clips around the door. Don't be scared to pull a little bit. And then you just lift up. Once you got it off, unplug the switch for the windows, and it's off that easy. Before you get started, you want a 10mm socket wrench, a number 2 Phillips head screwdriver, and the replacement felt to replace the old felt. So undo these two right here to get access to the felt. As you can see here, the felt is very worn down. There are actually no scratches on the inside of the window, so the one for the outside of the window has to be worse than this. But just peel this right off and put on the new stuff. When I took the felt off, there's a little hump here which makes the contact on the window, and it comes off. So since the felt is the same width as this little piece, I don't think I'm gonna run it across this way, but instead do a few strips from left to right. Obviously you could put it on however you would like. Now if you're able to see in here, there's another one to the right over here. The felt is held in by two little clips. Just pull them together. I can't get it. Oh, I think I got it. Yep. There you go. That guy right there. Nothing at all. I got all the felt on all the pieces. Took me about 10-15 minutes. Now we'll just put them back in, get the door panel back on, and you'll be set. before putting the door panel completely back on. Just make sure it works. Yep, window's sturdy. Hanging this down. Could be a little tighter, so I'll do that right now, and make sure the window itself is snug against the outer weather trim so no water can get in. The window felt is as snug as I can get it, so the gap's as little as possible on the outside. Then just do everything the opposite that you did to take it off. There. Put all the clips back in. Give it a nice couple taps. Put the door handle back on. Yeah, so it's pull forward, pop in, and just press it back on, and you're good to go. I'm gonna continue doing this on the 3 other doors. I have the door panel off the passenger door already, and hopefully it doesn't take too long, but simple as that. That's the window felt replacement, and see you guys next time. Peace.